I have the Samsung Galaxy A14, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you all the physical features of this phone. So at the front here, of course, we have this LCD display, and then we have a plastic back at the back. Okay, now this is a non-removable battery, so you cannot actually open this phone unless you go with a prying tool and access it from the display area. Now on the side, we have the power button, which you can use to lock and unlock your phone. And this power button also doubles up as the fingerprint sensor. So you can use this fingerprint sensor to unlock your phone at any time. Okay, but you have to set it up in the settings. And then you have the volume rockers, which is volume down on this side and volume up on the other side. And that's basically it on this side. On the left hand side of the phone, we have the SIM tray. This is what houses both SIM cards, because this is a dual SIM phone. This is the tray that houses both SIM cards and the SD card. Okay, so if I could pull it out for you to see, we have the SD card and the two nano SIM cards in the SIM tray. Okay, so that's in the upper left side of the phone. And then from here we have the front facing camera, which is right here, as you can see in that cutout. Then at the top of the phone we have nothing except this little microphone. At the back we have the three cameras, which is the main camera, and then you have a wide angle, and then a depth sensor for taking those blurred background portrait shots. And at the bottom of the phone we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, this one right here, a headphone port, sorry, where you can plug in a 3.5mm headphone jack. And then we have a microphone, then we have a USB Type-C port, and then we have a single downward facing speaker for the loudspeaker. And that's basically it regarding the Galaxy A14. Now something I forgot to mention is with the three cameras there is this LED flash, which you can use as the camera flash and also as the flashlight of your phone. So anytime you bring up the flashlight, you just try to turn on the flashlight. That's what you use as the flashlight of your phone. Okay, and that's basically it as far as the physical features of the phone is concerned. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.